Hello, my name is Teresa Vincent, and I'm one of 14 district court judges here in Guilford County. I've been on the bench since 2000 and have heard custody cases since I took the bench. I have been given the task of trying to educate you about terminology and concepts that you will hear throughout the process of having your custody case disposed of. The first thing I want you to know is just what the term custody entails. Custody really refers to which parent or parties will have the opportunity to make those legal decisions that really have a long-term impact on the child or children. It also entails who will the child or children be with physically, and who will provide that day-to-day care. And so in deciding custody cases, the term that you may hear and the standard that we use is what is in the child or children's best interest. And so in deciding that, you will sometimes hear a judge give a party or parties joint custody. And what that means is that jointly, the parties or parents will have the opportunity to be able to make those decisions that have a long-lasting impact on the children with regard to their education, their religious training, or medical care. You may also hear in the context of joint custody that one parent may have primary custody, and that simply means that the child or children will primarily be with one parent and secondarily be with the other. And so you need not be surprised if you hear that terminology. You may also hear the term sole custody. And what that means is that solely one parent or party will have the right to make those legal decisions concerning a child's education, religious training, or medical care. And when we order sole custody, then solely that parent would have that right, and we oftentimes, in conjunction with that, will order visitation with another party or parent. It's not uncommon for the court to order supervised visitation when we believe that a child or children may be in harm's way if they're left unsupervised with a person or parent. And so those are the different terms that you may hear as it relates to custody. You need to know that the court is given great discretion when determining what is in a child's best interest, and we sometimes call that term or that phrase, what is in the child's best interest, the polar star, because we're totally focused on that, but we're given great discretion. And so you may or may not be pleased with a judge's ruling or decision regarding how much time you will get to spend with your child and what decision-making authority you will have regarding your child or children. And so it is throughout this presentation that we hope you will be given all the information that you need and every reason that you need to be open-minded and to work with the other parent or parties in order to come up with a schedule that you believe will be in your child or children's best interest, and that you will, at the disposition of the case, be very pleased with the disposition of your case. And so we thank you for listening to every presenter today, and we hope that this has been informative and enlightening to each of you.